Hello everyone, my name is Joanna and I'm doing my presentation today about Artemisia Gentileschi. Why I choose her? I think I just wanted to talk about the female artists since they were very rare back there. Okay, Artemisia Gentileschi, she was one of the greatest female artists in the Baroque period. She got her artistic skills from her father, who was a painter as well, Orazio Gentileschi. She was his eldest child. She had 4 younger brothers. She lost her mother when she was 12 years old. After that, her father took her into his studio. He saw that she was much more talented than her brothers. In 1612, her father saw her extraordinary talent. She even applied to several academies, but got rejected because she was a woman. Both her and her father were inspired by Carraccio's style. Another event what happened is, in 1611, her father was working with his friend Agostino Tassi. He hired him also to tutor his daughter privately. During this time, he raped her. After he refused to marry her, Orazio, her father, opened a legal case against him. Tassi was expelled 5 years from Rome. After a month of the trial, her father arranged a marriage with Prantio Statesi. They moved to Florence. He was a painter as well. They got a daughter together, and Artemisia named her after her mother's name, Prudentia. She was very successful in Florence. She even got accepted in an Academy of Arts. She was actually the first woman who got accepted in the Academy of Arts. She and her spouse had a marriage of convenience, but neither cared for each other. He left her after 10 years. Prudentia, her daughter, was trained by her mother and got an artist as well. Her first work was Susanna and the Elders in 1610. She was there 17 years old. We can see that she used cross-contour, mass, value, everything there vanishes away. Here's everything painted in great detail. It looks very dramatic, expressive. She painted it in Baroque style, we can see that. We can see that this young lady got sexual harassed by these 2 guys. She painted her in a light color, very innocent and light. Even the white tower here. And the men's are like darker as her. The highlight between her is like very light and the dark shadows. Like, it's amazing how she painted that. I would say she painted with self-expression since her background. I personally feel that she painted it to tell something, that she got raped by herself as well. And the guys, the men are telling her to be quiet, don't to tell anybody. And you can see how she moved away her head and her gestures, her hands, they're pushing them away. She don't want to listen to them. And and one man whispers to the other man's ear, telling him something, a plan or something. And you can see that's very involving, very powerful, like how the man touched the other man's back, the hands, like very painted in very great detail and very realistic. It looks very realism and natural as well. I would say expressive theories as well, science, we have to pay attention to the artist's expression. It's 3rd dimensional, and the emphasis is the woman, which is in a very beautiful like the color. The shapes are rectangle shapes. You can see them here, they're repetitive. Circular, here, the knees, her head, her tummy, the heads, the clouds. We can see it's like a lot of energy. It has a lot of energy. Even the rhythm, the movement, how they move, how everything like lets you look at this space here. Here, the clouds in the back. Yes. Another painting of her, I think it was the most famous one, is Judas slaying Holofernes in 1614. Artemisia painted 2 strong women working together with sleeves up and focusing to kill the man. She portrayed the woman as very powerful, and she uses here bold colors, we can see that. everything back there is very dark, and then we can see this, like, it really sticks out how she painted and detailed and in great colors that let us focus just here. I would say the emphasis is on the blood, because she painted the blood very beautiful and in great color, and it's very realistic how it drops down there. It looks very dramatical. It looks like a scary movie how it's like everything dark there and here's everything lighter. The movement is very beautiful. How the movement, it's third dimensional as well as symmetrical balance. And I would say it's compositional because the things look very visual here. Another very beautiful painting she painted is Madonna and the Child. It represent Virgin Mary and Jesus. I'd say it's like worship because it's like very religious. It's contextual theories because it's like culture. And the emphasis is here because it's like very lighter and like very very beautiful painted. Some facts about Artemisia Gentileschi: she loved biblical paintings. Since she got raped, a lot of paintings have been about men touching her and how she feels about that. We can even see this painting here that a woman is trying to kill a man. Yeah. Like this very like self-expression, the shadows, the light, the contrast between them. It looks very powerful, very realistic. Actually, all her paintings are very emotional. And even when we go back to this painting here, I know that Artemisia described here her struggle when she got raped. She just wanted to kill Tassie with a knife, but she never did that. So she really expressed and wants to tell something by her pictures to the people out there. Artemisia's paintings are very not naturalistic, and her father's were like different, and like he painted it very idealized. In 1627, she received a project from King Philip of Spain. During this time, she also made friends with a lot of famous artists. One of them was Galileo. Before there were not so much opportunities for women available, but she made her way up and inspired women out there to stand up for themselves. She died in 1652 in Naples. Here's her self-portrait of herself. Again, she uses beautiful colors. She mixed beautiful colors. And yeah, the end. Thank you.